Hello, you absolute legends.
Why are we doing this?
Because we need a new trailer for the channel.
Why?
Because the old one's terrible.
It'll match the channel then.
Yeah, but what are we going to tell people now in this trailer?
Just watch it, it's good.
That's the worst trailer I've ever filmed.
Well, don't bother to film one, use the one we've got.
It's terrible. Use the original trailer.
Yes.
Here's the original trailer.
Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is John. I'm 30 odd years old and I live in Lincolnshire in the United Kingdom, and I've got a bit of a hobby for buying weird and wacky cars and upsetting my wife. If you've come this far, hopefully you've seen something that you like. This is the trailer for my channel. Hopefully there's something down below there that you will enjoy looking at. If you can give me a like and a subscribe, that'd be awesome. There's so many capers on the way. I'm a massive fan of Proton cars, and there's loads more great content hopefully coming up between now and the end of time, the end of the YouTube time. If you could give me a like on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and TikTok as well. It's John Coupland, Jon Coupland, all one word. I hope to see you there. Thanks for taking the time to watch this trailer. And yeah, hopefully there's something that you will enjoy on the channel.
That'll do.
That'll do.
That's up. Tee up.
It's tea time.